Dr. Justine Lee, and I'm an emergency critical care veterinary specialist and toxicologist at Animal Emergency and Referral Center of Minnesota. And today I was going to talk to you about mushroom poisoning in dogs and cats. Thankfully, cats are rarely affected by this because they have a very fastidious appetite and don't usually eat mushrooms. However, dogs can potentially be exposed. And if you remember, earlier this year, the actor The Rock, his own dog, a French bulldog, died sadly of mushroom poisoning. Now, there's thousands of mushrooms out there in the United States, but less than 100 are actually poisonous. And the most common poisonous type is the Amanita species. Unfortunately, mushrooms are really hard to identify, so unless you're a mycologist, you should never eat a wild mushroom or let your dog eat one either. There's 5 main types of mushrooms that are out there, and they work in different ways. The most dangerous type is the Amanita mushroom, and this causes initial vomiting and diarrhea, but progresses to severe liver failure really within 24 to 48 hours. These types of mushrooms are often called the death cap or death angel mushroom. Another type of mushroom is called the muscarine and causes really severe salivation, tearing, urination, diarrhea, and vomiting. It can also cause neurologic signs, and thankfully, this one can be treated with an antidote called atropine. The third type of mushroom can result in neurologic signs, such as walking drunk, being excessively sedate, or even tremoring or seizuring. The fourth type of mushroom is a general type that causes gastrointestinal irritation, so things like vomiting and diarrhea. Lastly, hallucinogenic mushrooms. These are super rare for dogs to get into. Unfortunately, the types of mushrooms that are growing in your yard or in the city park or in the forest are really hard to identify. So if your dog accidentally gets into a mushroom, you want to get to your veterinarian or your emergency veterinarian right away. And the reason why is the sooner you identify that a mushroom is poisonous, the sooner we can treat it. And it's going to be less harmful and less expensive for you. When in doubt, call ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center for life-saving advice. Their phone number is 888-426-4435.